Alright guys, got my Canyon reel, my custom rods, Finn's Fishing Line, 10 pound. I got me a small Gamakatsu light wire hook. Got my Flambeau and my Yummy. Got my Yum. 4-inch dinger worm. This worm is awesome for kids, anybody that can fish, anybody that can't fish. This is the bait for you. All right, you stick it in the barb right there to the barb, pull it through to the curve, and twist that bait. I like to skin hook it for kids. What happens, it pops open, and the kids can reel, and that Gamakatsu really gets in there. It'll hook the fish. I like fishing this bait a couple ways. When there's no weight, you throw it out, let it sink a little bit, and I like twitching it. But usually on the fall, as soon as it hits the water, any little pond, that's what happens. Thank you, little guy, for participating. He's one of my paid actors. He's really cool. His name's Fred. Thank you, Fred. See you later. Tell your mom I'm coming to see her. She owes me money. All right. Same thing. Let's do that again. Really active bait. Awesome bait. It looks so natural, and the green color, it really helps. All right, let's sink, twitch, 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 let it sink, and it wobbles, twitch, I had another actor over there. Come on now. I guess he quit. We'll do another one. Hang on. I got another paid actor somewhere around here. We'll throw it over there. We'll try that way. This is another way. Let it drop. And then lift the rod tip up. That's when it's really hot and they're not really active. You want to crawl it, it'll slowly fall. Me, I like to get that aggressive twitch. Another little guy. It's mostly a little bait, but it's just fun to catch a fish. Tiny, tiny, tiny ones, but this is Sally. She's another one of my paid actors. Come here, Sally. How's your mom doing? Your dad? Tell him to come see me. All right, see you later, Sally. Have a good one. But that Yum is very, very deadly.